Blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger, enables secure and transparent digital transactions without intermediaries. Consensus mechanism ensures agreement and synchronization among nodes in a blockchain network, maintaining network security. Proof of work, POW, is a consensus mechanism used by Bitcoin, validating transactions and discouraging malicious activities. Proof of stake, POS, is an alternative to POW, incentivizing stakeholders to act in the network's best interest. The choice of consensus mechanism impacts blockchain performance in terms of speed, efficiency, scalability, and decentralization. Blockchain performance is influenced by the choice of consensus mechanism, with POW being time-consuming and energy-intensive. On the other hand, POS offers faster and more energy-efficient transactions. The impact of consensus mechanisms on blockchain performance is significant, affecting speed, efficiency, and scalability. POW can be time-consuming and energy-intensive, while POS provides faster and more energy-efficient transactions. Choosing the right consensus mechanism is crucial for achieving optimal blockchain performance. The decision should consider factors such as speed, efficiency, scalability, and decentralization. In conclusion, consensus mechanisms play a vital role in blockchain technology, ensuring secure and efficient digital transactions. Understanding the impact of different consensus mechanisms is crucial for optimizing blockchain performance.